Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can go to a club in your GTA San Andreas game. So to go to a nightclub in your GTA San Andreas game, you need to come to this location. There are multiple locations in the game, but I'm showing you this location of nightclub. So to come to the nightclub, first of all you need to come to this location right here where I am at. It's called the Camel Store. And once you're in this location shown in the map right here, you can see it again. There will be a basketball court. You need to find this, and right beside or in front of the basketball court you'll find this building. Now you need to walk over to this building and it says club, and after that you can see that you have now entered the club. Now you can buy drinks here, or you can go over to the dance floor, and if I come here then I can dance as well. So you can see that it's telling me to do the dance moves. So that's how you guys can do dance and go to the club in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys would want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will cover it for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.